Well, for me, what is important if you get involved with human design is that first of all, you spend a little bit of time recognizing what you are getting yourself into. What actually are we talking about? Most people don't, understand anymore what we're talking about because human design is presented. The best I think I saw was a dietary program. Like how to lose weight through human design, and that actually exists. Or how to make money through human design, or how to do this through human design, or that through human design. So the actual message from the start has been diluted into all these objective-oriented things that present the knowledge as, through this there is somewhere to get to. And of course, strategy and authority makes you also believe that. Use this strategy for what? To get somewhere. It's like to realize that actually that's not the point at all. The point is to get nowhere. I mean, that's the that's the whole point. You're just, the only point is to get into yourself. I mean, to understand that you are the one experiencing this life, and there is nothing else in that sense to do, and then to be this, and to witness whatever this car or whatever you can call it is doing.